Well, it's a major self-esteem issue for millions of Americans. We're talking about hair loss.
Yeah, there's now a major advancement in hair transplant surgery, and the only doctor performing it is in Beechwood. Brian Duffy with the story.
Dr. Robert Haber of Haber Dermatology is looking at a highly magnified on-screen image of a patient's scalp and using what looks like a video game remote to control a robotic arm that with remarkable precision harvests a patient's hair. It's a much cleaner process than the typical skin strip harvest system that most times, depending on hairstyle and length, would leave a visible scar.
Instead of a linear scar, the patient is left with multiple tiny scars which visually disappear. You can't see them.
The ARTAS robotic system uses multiple cameras to determine the exact angle that the hair is emerging from the skin and then positions the needle perfectly.
And with this technique, the harvesting success and the transection rate is very low, therefore the procedure is much more successful.
Talk about state-of-the-art. Dr. Haber is just not playing some high-tech video game here. There are only 33 of these robotic systems in use across the country, and this is the only one being used in the state of Ohio. Dr. Haber has performed about a dozen procedures with the robotic system, some of them on patients who, because of the scarring, were not previously interested in the strip harvest procedure. And there's another benefit.
And the remarkable thing is it's almost completely painless. From beginning to end, the patient will feel almost nothing.
The cost varies depending on the level of treatment, but it does cost more than the strip harvest. Brian Duffy, 19 Action News.